Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's some changes at Microsoft again. So, of course, we had the Windows division and in Surface that now actually is going to be with Yusuf Mehdi, which is going to take over and make sure that things continue. We're going to see if that changes things around Windows, around what's happening in the future, and the devices also. And now we have a guy that is Chris Capossela. And Chris Capossela is, of course, the chief marketing officer at Microsoft. He's also leaving. So it seems interesting because we see a lot of changes of people that have been there for a long time. And it is 32 years for Microsoft, which is pretty amazing. And we'll see exactly where he goes. I've got absolutely no problem thinking that he's going to get a good job somewhere. But a lot of people are thinking that maybe the guy kind of wasn't pushed out, but what probably happened is maybe he was offered something that he was not interested in, and he said, well, you know what, maybe it's time I move on. Most people will agree that he was one of the good guys at Microsoft. He was very open and was, loved what he did. And I can't help but think that Microsoft is going to be changing a lot in the next year. And I think AI has a lot to do with it. I think that Microsoft is reorganizing itself to market or put itself, like in the top for not just cloud, which is now already taking a lot of space, but AI. They're driving AI to the maximum that they can. And it's, I think, changing people around. And funny anecdote with our friend here, Chris Capossela. If some of you remember, back in 1997-ish, 8, there was a demonstration of a Windows 98 plug and play, and they plugged in a scanner or printer or something, and the demonstration blue screened live in front of a live audience, which started laughing. Well, Chris Capossela is the guy that was actually demonstrating all of that. Just out of curiosity, it's just a little fun anecdote here of that time. So I think a lot of changes are coming to Microsoft. I think the company is positioning itself in a different direction. Of course, Windows is part of all of this, and Windows with AI is going to be part of it. But it's definitely going to be a changing company. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.